For us, let's bring in our guest for this hour who is standing by, joining us from East Lansing, Michigan, trial attorney Jamie White. Jamie, wow, when Alex is describing what the stylist on the stand overheard or knew about Cassie Ventura being threatened, being told by the defendant allegedly that her tapes would be released of these freak-offs, that her career would be tanked. I mean, does that go towards what the prosecution says was sex trafficking by force, fraud, or coercion? If she was doing these freak-offs, do those threats count as the force that's required?
You know, it's closer than what we've seen over the course of the last 11 days as far as the federal crimes are concerned. We certainly are dealing with state violations, and I think it's important for people to distinguish the two. Most of what we've heard over the last 11 days, including what we heard today, are violations of state law, some very serious violations, but that is not what he's being prosecuted with. The prosecution has been effective today and otherwise in making Mr. Combs out to be, I suppose, a bad guy and a deviant and so on. But to get to sex trafficking, it's going to require more evidence. And to date, I don't believe we've heard it. Today got a little closer, but I think in order to get there, they're going to have to show those threats were directly related to her having to participate in sex acts or freak-offs, so they're called.
Great analysis, Jamie. We will continue to monitor what's happening there in New York. We'll keep giving you those hourly updates. No cameras in federal court, but our Court TV team is there at that New York federal courthouse.